If you love Mediterranean cuisine, then you know that olive oil is a staple in almost every dish. But have you ever wondered why? In this video, we're going to reveal why olive oil is the secret to Mediterranean cooking. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content like this. All right, now you are ready. So grab a bottle of your favorite extra virgin olive oil and let's get started. One of the biggest reasons why olive oil is the secret to Mediterranean cooking is its incredible versatility. It can be used in countless ways in the kitchen, from salad dressings to marinades to sautéing vegetables. Its mild yet distinct flavor complements a wide variety of foods, and it's even versatile enough to be used as a substitute for butter in baking. Whether you're making a simple pasta dish, grilling up some vegetables, or marinating a juicy piece of meat, olive oil can enhance the flavors and textures of your dish in a way that few other ingredients can. And with a high smoke point, it's perfect for high-heat cooking methods like grilling and stir-frying. So, if you're looking for an ingredient that can do it all, olive oil is the way to go. It's a staple of Mediterranean cooking for a reason, and once you start experimenting with it in the kitchen, you'll see why. In addition to its delicious taste, the health benefits of olive oil cannot be overlooked. The monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in olive oil have been shown to have a positive impact on heart health. Studies have demonstrated that consuming olive oil can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. But the benefits of olive oil don't stop there. This liquid gold is also packed with powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols and vitamin E, which can help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants may also play a role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. Furthermore, olive oil has been linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of cognitive decline. The healthy fats in olive oil can help support the structure and function of cell membranes, which is important for maintaining healthy brain cells. Additionally, some studies suggest that olive oil may have a protective effect against Alzheimer's disease. Overall, olive oil is a true superfood with a range of health benefits. By incorporating it into your diet, you can reap these benefits while also enjoying its delicious taste and versatility in cooking. The importance of olive oil in Mediterranean culture extends beyond just its use in cooking. It's a central part of daily life, used in religious rituals, social gatherings, and even as a form of currency in some places. In many Mediterranean countries, the olive harvest is a major event, with entire communities coming together to collect and press the olives. Furthermore, the cultivation of olive trees has played a significant role in shaping the landscape of the Mediterranean region. Olive groves have been carefully tended to for generations, and the art of olive oil production has been passed down through families and communities. The process of pressing olives into oil is still done using traditional methods in many places, adding to the cultural significance of olive oil. Overall, olive oil is more than just a food or ingredient. It's a fundamental part of Mediterranean culture and heritage. Its cultural significance is deeply intertwined with the values and way of life of the people who have been producing and consuming it for centuries. When it comes to olive oil, quality matters. Extra virgin olive oil is made from pure, cold-pressed olives without the use of chemicals or excessive heat. This type of olive oil is the highest quality and has the most health benefits. However, not all extra virgin olive oils are created equal, so it's important to choose a reputable brand that sources its olives from a trusted supplier. In addition to choosing a reputable brand, it's important to pay attention to the labeling of the olive oil. Look for bottles that have a harvest date and information about the origin of the olives, as this can give you a better idea of the quality and freshness of the oil. It's also a good idea to taste the oil before using it to make sure it has a fresh, fruity flavor with a slight bitterness and peppery finish, which are all indications of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Finally, it's important to store your olive oil properly in a cool, dark place away from light and heat, as exposure to these elements can cause the oil to go rancid and lose its flavor and health benefits. When using olive oil in cooking or preparing food, there are a few tips to keep in mind to make the most of its flavor and health benefits. One of the most important things to remember is not to overheat the oil. Olive oil has a relatively low smoke point, which means that it can break down and lose some of its beneficial compounds if it gets too hot. To avoid this, it's best to use olive oil for low to medium heat cooking or as a finishing oil. Another tip is to pair olive oil with foods that will complement its flavor. For example, drizzling olive oil over a tomato and mozzarella salad can enhance the flavors of the dish and add a fresh, fruity note. Similarly, using olive oil to sauté garlic and onions can add a rich, complex flavor to a variety of dishes. Finally, remember that a little bit of olive oil goes a long way. While it can be tempting to pour a lot of oil into a dish, using too much can lead to a heavy, greasy flavor. Instead, start with a small amount and add more as needed to achieve the desired flavor and consistency. With these tips in mind, you can make the most of the versatility, health benefits, and cultural significance of olive oil in your cooking and everyday life. And there you have it. The secret to Mediterranean cooking is olive oil. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more food-related content. And as always, thanks for watching.